Grabe kayo guys, ang baha. Just 30 minutes. Then baha na kaayo. So maglisod na ang nagsakay ang mga driver. So we are here located in the building. And look at that guys, ang baha. Oh yan, si Uncle maglisod. Saan yung pag-adto sa iyong sakyanan? Grabe yung baha. So everyone's finding difficult. No? Grabe ang baha. Just 30 minutes lang guys. Oh, ang kalsada guys. Ang baha talaga. Oh, look at that. From here to there. Grabe ang baha guys. Buti na lang mayroong pathway. May pathwalk dito guys. So, kalakad. Grabe in just 30 minutes. Ang bilis tumaas ng tubig. Okay, we are so lucky today na pinapauwi agad kami ng aming mga employer. Grabe guys, in front of EDCB Bank, it's flooded. The parking area is flooded now. So all car owners have difficulties to get inside their cars because it's floral. Yes guys, grabe. It's look like a river now. Look at that guys. So see, if you're wearing a suit, a coat, then it will be rubbish because of the water floods. Oh my god, see, even the main road is watering also guys. Look at these Kapayans, they are also walking, going home, and it's difficult to get a taxi. Si Kabayan nagyapak na. Oh my god, it's floods! Oh my god, it's floods. How I can cross here the road? Oh, it's flood. It's watery also. My god, in this area. Oh, my shoes will be submerged. Submerged talaga. Submerged into... Oh, what happened? It's accident. And how I can cross the highway. So you guys, natumba ang motor dahil sa strong winds. Oh, self-accident ang tawag niyan. Self-accident! Ayan guys. Oh, so water is everywhere. Oh my god, how I can cross the road. Magayad ang sapatos ko madudumihan. How I can pass by. Ang bilis naman ng tubig. Ang hirap tumawid. Yan. Nagpatintiro ako. Ayan kuya, pwedeng pababa. Pinaka chinelas si Uncle. Ayan guys, it's also flooded this location. It's like no river. Oh my god, in that corner also a lot of water. So it was a strong rains. It was not an ordinary rains. Hi. Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. The first water floods in Abu Dhabi. Oh my god guys, look at this. It's watering. Oh my god, how I can cross. This is it now. No more chance. Oh my god, no more chance. Hala, kailangang lumusong. My god guys, I cannot cross. Ang bilis naman, ang itim ng tubig. Kailangan ko pang umikot, grabe. Ang hirap tumawid.